Hey there, welcome to this video where we'll talk about natural and effective ways to get rid of spiders from your home. Let's be honest, nobody likes finding cobwebs or creepy crawlies in their living space, right? But fear not, because I've got some simple and safe remedies that will help you bid farewell to those eight-legged intruders without resorting to harsh chemicals. Before we dive into the remedies, let's understand why spiders might be attracted to your home in the first place. Spiders love dark, quiet, and undisturbed places, so cluttered areas or spaces that are rarely cleaned can become their cozy little hideouts. They're also drawn to places where their food sources, like insects, are readily available. So keeping your home clean and tidy is the first line of defense against spider infestations. Now, let's get into the natural remedies that will help you get rid of spiders without harming them or the environment. Number 1. Essential oils. Essential oils like peppermint, tea tree, lavender, rose, and cinnamon are excellent spider repellents. Their strong scents are simply unbearable for spiders. You can make a simple spray by mixing a few drops of your preferred essential oil with water in a spray bottle. Spray this mixture around the corners, windows, and any other areas where you've spotted spider activity. Number 2. Vinegar. It is like a kryptonite for spiders. They detest the smell and taste of it. You can create an effective spider-repelling spray by mixing equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Use this solution to spritz around the areas where you've seen spiders or their webs. You can also place small bowls of vinegar in the corners of your rooms to keep spiders at bay. Number 3. Eucalyptus tree. If you have a green thumb, consider planting a eucalyptus tree in your garden. Not only is it a lovely addition to your outdoor space, but its strong medicinal scent acts as a natural spider repellent. Spiders tend to steer clear of areas with a strong eucalyptus smell. Number 4. Citrus peels. Spiders can't stand the citrusy aroma of lemons, oranges, or grapefruits. So save those peels after making your morning juice or cooking a citrus-based dish. Rub the peels along windowsills, bookshelves, and other areas where spiders might like to set up camp. You can also place a dish of citrus peels in strategic locations around your home. Number 5. Turn off outdoor lights. While the light itself doesn't attract spiders, it does draw in insects, which are a tasty treat for our eight-legged friends. So make it a habit to turn off your outdoor lights after a reasonable hour to avoid luring insects and, consequently, spiders into your home's vicinity. Number 6. Cedar. It is another scent that spiders find repulsive. You can use cedar chips, shavings, or essential oil to create a spider-free zone in your home. Place them in strategic locations or make a cedar spray by mixing cedar oil with water in a spray bottle. Number 7. Garlic. It is not only a flavorful addition to your cooking, but it can also help keep spiders at bay. Crush a few garlic cloves and mix them with water in a spray bottle. Spritz this pungent solution in areas where you've spotted spider activity. Number 8. Walnuts. Believe it or not, spiders seem to have an aversion to walnuts. While the reason behind this is still a mystery, you can try placing bowls of walnuts in the corners of your rooms or areas where you've seen spiders lurking. Remember, these natural remedies work best when combined with regular cleaning and maintenance. Keep your home clutter-free, seal any potential entry points for spiders, and address any moisture issues that might attract insects and, consequently, spiders. It's also important to note that while most spiders found in homes are harmless, some species can be venomous. If you encounter a spider that you suspect might be dangerous, it's best to seek professional help for safe removal. So, there you have it. The top natural home remedies for getting rid of spiders without harsh chemicals. Let me know in the comments section if you have any other spider fighting tips to share.